Now, gamma waves are created when we are functioning at our peak. In sport, we call it the zone. In psychology, we call it flow. Now, when you create gamma waves, more of your brain cells fire at the same time, and this is called neural synchrony. This creates a state of coherence, meaning all of you work as one, which means you access more of your potential. Now, gamma waves are correlated with a super focused mind, leading to higher levels of thought, increased awareness and intuition, and increased awareness is something useful to us all. You can't have too much awareness. The more self-aware you are and aware of others, the more influence you have. They're correlated with better ideas, allowing you to see new opportunities. You have improved concentration and focus, and increased happiness and calmness. Gamma waves also switch your stress response off. They send signals into the emotional fight-flight area of your brain and retrain it so that confidence and clarity and focus become much more natural states of being rather than the negative emotions such as anxiety and fear and self-doubt. Some interesting research done at the University of Wisconsin in the States by Dr. Richard Davidson. Now, he brought in Buddhist monks with over 10,000 hours of meditation experience and measured their brainwave activity as they were doing a meditation on compassion. They also had a control group, which was a bunch of students that were taught this compassion meditation over a week's period so they could be part of the study. Interestingly, when the Buddhist brain were scanned and mapped during this meditation process, they saw high levels of gamma wave activity through these Buddhists that really showed a high level of coherence, everything working as one, and then being in a state of flow or the zone. But for the students, they didn't show any gamma waves at all. They just showed a dominant alpha wave, showing a nice, calm, relaxed system. There was another study also which was shown on a program on the BBC over here in the UK from a program called Horizon, which is a long-standing documentary program. And they were measuring people's brainwaves as they were doing problem-solving activities. So it was a pen and paper task, basically, question and answer. But interestingly, what they saw was just a few milliseconds before they got the answer to the question, they got the answer to the problem, they would see these bursts of gamma waves where the brain would sort of light up and work as one just milliseconds before they become conscious and they realize what the actual answer was and they write the answer down. So that's really quite an interesting study as well to see, Buddhists producing these gamma waves and this finding gamma waves are a burst just before we get solutions to problems.